Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn many interesting and new topics from our general knowledge book. So let's get into the video. Plants are found everywhere on the earth, on the land and in water. They add beauty to our surroundings. Apart from this, bring useful in many ways. Okay, so children, let's learn many things about different kinds of plants in this world in our GK book from the first lesson, Wonderful Plants. So without any delay, we'll get into the video. Stay tuned. This is Brazilian duckweed. It is one of the underwater plant and its flower measures about half millimeter. It is very minute, it seems. Asafoetida is a root of this plant produce a sharp smelling resin, that is we call it in Hindi hing. Okay, it is a spice and it has many medicinal values and it is good for digestion also. The flower of this plant name is copperas. It is the smelliest flower on the earth. When it blooms, it releases a foul odor like a rotten meat and it can go even half mile away, it seems. This tree name is baobab. It is an unusual tree. Its thick trunk is made up of spongy like materials capable of storage of large amount of water, children. This tree name is teak. Usually we call as teak wood. We will be using for making different kinds of furniture in our house. Coming to this is sandalwood tree, children. It has pleasant fragrance. Oil extracted from these trees can be used in making agarbatti, soaps, perfumes and different cosmetics. This tree name is deodar. These are tall trees that grow up in the mountain areas like Himalayas where it is very cool. They have cone instead of flowers and needle-like leaves. This tree name is called cinchona and the bark of this tree is used to make drug for diseases like malaria, children. This is coconut tree and in Hindi we call it nariyal and it is a versatile fruit we can use in different ways and we will be extracting oil, coconut oil from this tree also. At last, this is banyan tree. Such a huge crown it has. It grows special pillar like root to support it. So children, now we will do the worksheet part from this book. Okay. Now go to page number 6, Wonderful Plants. So here you can find 10 pictures of different plants and trees. So according to the hints given here along with the pictures, you can use the help of help cell given over there. Okay, answers will be in that. So you need to pick one answer and write for the correct picture. Now we will go for the first one. This duckweed is the smallest flowering plant whose flowers measure half millimeter. So as we discussed in the video, duckweed is an underwater plant. Here you can find it is a Brazilian duckweed. Okay. So you can find the answer here, Brazilian duckweed spelling. So write down this spelling here, Brazilian duckweed. Second one, roots of this plant produce a sharp smelling resin, hing, that is used as spice and medicine for digestion and stomach disorders. See children, your mother will be using this in sambar and in many curries also. So what is this? Any guess? It is nothing but Asafoetida. It is Asafoetida. See in the hint cell you can find the answer for this. See here. This is the answer for that question. Asafoetida plant you write down here. Okay. And coming to third one, the flower of this plant is the smelliest flower on the earth. When it blooms, it releases a foul odor similar to that of rotten flesh that can be smelled half a mile away. So, it's a flower in the world which smells like a rotten meat. What is the flower? we have learnt in our science lessons also. So let's find the answer for this. It is nothing but corpus. C-O-R-P-S-E, corpus. So write this answer here in the blank given. Okay. Going to fourth one. This is an unusual tree. Its thick trunk is made up of sponge-like materials capable of storing large amount of water. The fruit of this tree are called monkey's bread. So the tree will be very soft when you touch it. If you poke, you can get water from that. Which tree is this? This is nothing but baobab. B-A-O-B-A-B. You pronounce it as baobab tree. So pick the answer from here, from the hint cell, and write down in the blank given. Okay. Then going to next one. The hard wood of this tree is used to make doors, windows and furniture. Its name in Hindi is sagwan. So what is this? This is teak wood. With the teak wood we will be preparing different kinds of furniture in our home. So write down here teak. Sixth one. The wood of this tree has pleasant fragrance and oil extracted from it is widely used to make agarbattis, soaps and perfumes. So nice smell you will get from this tree. What it is? It is sandalwood. Write down there in the blank. Going to seventh one. Popular as Nariyal. This is a palm tree with big brown fruit nuts filled with sweet tasting water. It is nothing but, we all know, it is coconut. Okay. You can take the answer from there in the hint cell and you can write here coconut. Coming to eighth one. These are tall trees that grow up in the mountains where it is very cold. They have cones instead of flowers and needle-like leaves. It is deodar. It is deodar. Write down there from the hint cell. You can find the spellings. This tree has spike-like leaves. Spikes. Okay. Spines will be there. No, like that you will get. It will be looking like a porcupine. Okay. Going to ninth one. The bark of this tree is used to make the drug quinine, which doctor take treatment for malaria. Okay. This medicinal value plant is used to treat malaria, it seems. So the answer is cinchona. The answer is cinchona. Write with the help of hint cell here. Okay. Then coming to 10th one and final one. This tree has such a huge crown. It grows special pillar-like roots to support it. It is nothing but banyan tree. We can find many banyan trees in our villages. Okay, it's very easy. Write down everything on your own, children. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye-bye.